The onslaught of new products being announced at this February 2022 Unpacked reminds us again how Samsung likes to fill all the gaps when it comes to their product lineup, even when it comes to their flagship products. The Tab S8 Plus and Tab S8 is following up on their previous models to bring a more up-to-date flagship Android tablet experience from Samsung in 2022. Hi, Ben from SamMobile. If you enjoy new and exclusive videos like this, then be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future videos on YouTube with SamMobile TV. Here is our quick hands-on with the Tab S8 Plus and Tab S8. Both the Tab S8 Plus and Tab S8 come in three colors, which are graphite, silver, and pink gold. Thanks to the construction and materials, both feel well balanced and well put together. The Tab S8 Plus and Tab S8 are using armor aluminium for an all-metal unibody design. Quad speakers with Dolby Atmos support, and also what's great to see is that there are attachment points for the included in-the-box S Pen on the Tab S8 Plus and Tab S8. Things start to differ when it comes to the display experience between both the Tab S8 and Tab S8 Plus. Starting with the Tab S8 Plus, is using a large 12.4-inch Super AMOLED display with a WQXGA Plus resolution at 2800 by 1752, backed with a high refresh rate 120Hz panel. For the Tab S8, it's using an 11-inch LTPS TFT display with a WQXGA resolution at 2560 by 1600 and a 120Hz high refresh rate panel. Both do have S Pen support, which does come included in the box, but the Tab S8 is using an in-display fingerprint scanner for the biometric unlock, whereas the Tab S8 uses the power button side key for the fingerprint unlock. As they are both using single front-facing cameras and the bezels are reasonably thin, there is no notch cut out here to be seen. Both displays in the end are great, but it's hard not to naturally lean towards the AMOLED panel of the Tab S8 Plus as the more premium display experience, as we've become so used to just how good Samsung makes their AMOLED display panels, whether super or dynamic. In terms of the specs and the performance, the Tab S8 Plus and Tab S8 come in two different configurations, which are all powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 4nm system on a chip here in the UK and Europe. The base configuration comes with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, followed by 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. Great to see that you do get a micro SD card slot for expansion for an additional up to 1TB of storage. You do get support for Bluetooth 5.2 and Wi-Fi 6E. The specs more than speak for themselves and brings pretty much the best of what Samsung have to offer for their premium flagship Android tablet. In terms of the camera, both the Tab S8 Plus and Tab S8 are using dual cameras for the rear, backed with a single front-facing camera. The main rear sensor is a 13-megapixel camera with autofocus, and the second camera is a 6-megapixel ultra-wide with dual flash. The front-facing camera is a 12-megapixel standard wide-angle field of view. Samsung have tweaked the triple microphones and software for better sound pickup and background noise reduction, and also coupled with the quad speakers with Dolby Atmos support. Features like video calling effects should be here as well, with auto framing to keep yourself in frame and multiple people when on a conference call as well. As always, in the end, how the real world experience will be for the camera and the overall audio experience for the Tab S8 Plus and the S8 is yet to be determined, but we'll know more hopefully once we get a chance to set it up and test it properly. One UI Tab 4 with Android 12 is running at the heart of the software for the Tab S8 Plus and Tab S8. Same as before, true multitasking and PC-like features and performance are here from DeX and multiple apps running side by side in multi-window. This is where pretty much these tablets, when it comes to their size and their form factor, really come into play. Now, Samsung says that you will be able to use these Tab S8 series as secondary displays with your supported Windows laptop and PC, which is going to be great to help increase productivity when it comes to touch controls and of course the addition of S Pen support. It would be near enough impossible to cover all the software features, but so far, like we said before, the software is not lacking at all. Naturally, due to the physical size difference, the battery capacity will be different for both tablets. The Tab S8 Plus is packing a 10,090 mAh battery, whereas the Tab S8 is using an 8,000 mAh battery cell. Both support 45-watt superfast charging 2.0. The trend of having no charger in the box has made its way over to the Tab S8 series, as you will only get the USB-C to C cable and the included S Pen in the box. Starting price of the Tab S8 Plus Wi-Fi only model will start from £849 and go up to £899. The 5G models start at £999 and go up to £1,049. The Tab S8 Wi-Fi only models start at £649 and go up to £699. The 5G models start at £799 and go up to £849. Considering the extra tax of £150 extra for the option of having 5G, the prices across the board seem okay-ish and not completely out of reach, especially considering the Tab S8. As serious as Samsung takes Android tablets, which you cannot fault them for, and in fact, it is to be respected and admired, they are still Android tablets which come with their challenges, shortfalls, and also benefits. What are your thoughts on both the Tab S8 Plus and S8? Let us know in the comment section below. For the latest news in the world of Samsung Daily, be sure to visit us at SamMobile.com. For the latest videos on YouTube with SamMobile TV, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, and we will see you next time.